guys, yes, I'm here. I'm just going to close this too, but we are going to leave it open because I've got to bring something in. I do. Now, where are we up to? The base is built. It is. Mr. Producer has his stinky feet on them. The base is built. The headboard has been affixed to the base. The boxes are inside the base. The base. The base. Yes. Sorry, I'm just enjoying saying the base. The base. The next job is getting the super heavy mattress on the base. It's in my hallway. And Mr. Producer's filming. So I gotta do it. Her. Yes. So there's things on top of it. I've got to move the things. So I've got the mattress protector that I'm going to be putting on. This is a go-kart king size mattress protector. So that can go down there because it's going on the mattress. Now, Mr. Producer did treat me, bless him. He says I couldn't have all my fitted sheets, but I could have one. So I got a lovely white king size fitted sheet from a lovely Asda, and that was £7. And I got some George Home Easy Care 2 pillowcases for minimum iron in white for £2. £2. £2. So they can go there. They can. The best is yet to come. A set of new pillows. 2 of. Could you put them on the table on the chest of drawers behind you, Mr. Producer? But the mattress is going to be coming in and being awkward. So can you put, they won't go in the window. Put them behind you with your Lego towers, please. That's one set. So they'd gone down to £6, hadn't they? They should have been, is it 8 or 9? 8. So they should have been £8 for the 2 pillows. They'd gone down to £6. So we got 2 sets. Yes. Now they are the extra bounce 2 soft pillows from George Asda. Yes. Alright, put it up there. Stop making me grin. Next thing is the mattress. No. I was going to take it that way, then push it in that way. I've got to bring it through the wall. How am I going to bring it through the wall? The duvet. But the duvet's not on top. Why do I need to bring that in? I was saving the duvet for when I make the bed. He's spoiled all my surprises now. I'm not playing anymore. Spoiled all my surprises. Let me have no surprise really. I just need to put it on my toe. Oh, just caught the side of my toe. It's huge. But Mr. Producer says it's going to be smaller than the base. But it's huge. Heavy. Don't know how I'm going to get it in. Am I going to get it in? Hello. 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 That way. Walk all the way around and pass it through the window. You didn't realise what I said. Pull it, Mr. Producer. Stop being a plonker. At the bottom. Pull it at the bottom. I've got to do it all myself. Am I actually moving it? It's not moving. Pull! We need some on the other side. Can I get one of the small monkeys? You'll not see them. Oh, it's going. It's going. It's stuck. I can't move that. Ow. It is going. I can feel it. I'm giving it. Given! moved again. Pull it, Mr. Producer. Come on. Got it. That way. That way. We're in. We're in. Get out of the way. We're in. Right, we gotta close the door. Hold the telly. Door's closed. Right. The bed is in. Right, I'm going to talk about it now. We went all the way to Leeds for this one. We did. We had to do 2 Ikeas. We went to our Sheffield Ikea. Didn't have it in stock. But they had 2 in stock in Leeds. So we thought we was halfway towards Leeds anyway. So off we went. Yes. And it's called a Adelesexyuk Standard King. And should I say how much it was? You're not answering me. It was £300. The mattress is more expensive than the base. You do realise that, right? It's actually unwrapping very easily. I like it. I should have said that. Didn't I? No. Huh? Could you put that side down for me, please? I am trying to watch the telly. I am trying to watch the telly. Do you watch the telly? Right. Top part's up. What? What? Want to know something? We did it the wrong way round. This is the base. This is the top. I'm not wrapping it back up. I'm not taking it back out. No chance. No chance in hell. I'm stuck. Trying to get the cardboard off. I can't pick it. How am I meant to pick it up? So it's got to go. This is the top. Being a smart one again. But I know I should be shoving it, but the door won't open with the mattress there. I'm still debating how I'm meant to get this turned round. Because this is the top. It's very soft. I can picture myself sleeping on it already. Now take all of that outside. And that stood up. That actually stood up. But it fell down now. Is that gonna fall? No, it's not. Happy? Happier? I'm still wondering how I'm going to flip it. You see? The lights are in the way. Right, so I may need a hand here. Take it around that way. But this is the top, so... At least it's on the cardboard at the bottom, so it's not going to scratch. But that means I've got to pick it up. because I don't think that really matters which is the top. No, that doesn't matter. That's the bottom. But that doesn't matter. Surely. But once it's on, I can turn it around then. Huh? I've got to get it down there, but I've got to get that end going in first. We're boobed. We have. We're boobed. We have. Because if I put this down this side here, and then put it down, that faces it. Huh? Which way? Towards you. And put it down. No. Out the door. Aim right up. Towards the wall. Towards that part. Right, it's still... Huh? Okay, I ain't grasping. Please stop the camera so you can tell me. That bit has got to go to the wardrobe. That's what I was doing. It's on the cardboard. What? You're not making sense now. This is how I get irritated. Why are you putting it flat on the floor? I can't lift it on my own. You sound like a hamster. You really do sound like a hamster. Now I'm stuck on the door handle. So lay down there. Mind the telly. This is what Mr. Producer said to do. Now, bang it on your toe. So how am I meant to lift that onto there on my own? So you want me that end and you this end. So you are going to help me lift it then? Are you coming down to help me lift it or not? There is a strap. You're filming the mattress. Just thought I'd let you know that one. All you're doing is pulling it down more. We're not going to get our hands in to get the straps. It's not going to break. Take your packaging. Your face. So, question time again. That's falling down for starters. But how are we lifting it? Oh, oh. Not like that. It's stuck on the bed. My two hands is not even stronger than your one hand. Yeah, once we get it on, it'll be fine. But it's stuck on the bed. I think that's a symbol for just get on with it. Why does it feel like I'm the only one doing all the work? I don't care if you've only got one hand. I'm going red. It's not coming up. All it's doing is lifting up the base of the bed. Now what? Xbox. Oh, for God's sake, it won't push. Can you push your side on, please? But you Come on. It's on my side. It hangs over a bit my side. There we go. Oh, excuse me. I'll be right your side. That means that's my side then. Mine's flush, my side. I'm quite happy with mine flush, thank you. I don't want the wood yours on my side. Mine's flush. Why do I have to give up my flush side? Oh no, it won't move. There you go. There you go. No, because then I lose my flush side. It's bed wars. Leave it. It's fine. And it's friggin' high. Have I got to lift the bed up to see if it lifts up? Oh God. Oh my good God. Well, it still lifts. How can I get it tougher down? How am I getting it down? It doesn't fit flush to the thing. Okay, that went down easier with the mattress on. That honestly did, look. I fixed the base problem. It's just about half... I'm the one that falls out of bed, not you. It stays flush my side. I have to make the bed, it stays flush my side. We'll stop pulling it all your side then. No, you just pulled it all your side. Pull it a bit more then, your side. What are you doing? Improving. Pull it a tiny bit. No, not that end. That end's already over. You just pulled it all back your side. Right, I'm putting the mattress protector on now to protect it from you. Be careful with the mirror. And there's no chance I can put that back up, and that's where my other blue sheet went. I sleep with the blue sheet wrapped around me. It's a cotton sheet, so it keeps me nice and cool when it's hot, and when it's cold it keeps me warm. I got on my mattress last night on the living room floor. Where's my blue sheet? I don't know. He's put it up there. It's there. Right. This is a mattress protector. Yes? So this protects against spillages and stains. This does. So I thought it would be a good idea because where's my other two? No, they'll be on the mattress. It's alright, I'm losing it. It's alright. I thought because the monkeys come in here to play on the Xbox that it would be good to have it protected. Now I had two on the other ones. If you've ever watched me change the bed, you would have seen them. But they were more of a protect me from the springs kind of mat cover. This one is to protect from, oh, for God's sake. This is to protect from spillages. So it's like a fitted sheet. It goes all the way round. We need to get another one for when I change the bed. Yeah, then I can change the mattress protector at the same time. Oh. Whew, I think I'm getting a bit of a sweat. get to that corner. Thought you would have twigged on. Oh, it looks so inviting. Yes, time for drinks now. So there we go, my new Adelesexyuk mattress and my go-kart protector, all on my brand new base with my old headboard. Yes. So don't forget, guys, give me a big thumbs up, please, because I've worked for it today. Subscribe to my beautiful channels and follow me on my Twitter, Instagram, and my amazing Patreon, all at Adelesexyuk. I'm going to get a drink now. I'm going to sit down, and then I've got to make the bed with my new cushions, my new duvet that Mr. Producer spoilt the surprise with, my new fitted sheet, my new pillowcases, yes, underneath there. So I'll be getting a set out from under there, yes. See you soon. Love you all.